Today, I'd like to show you how to make a teddy bear jumper out of an old jumper. My name is Angela and I'm living on my boat travelling the east coast of Australia. The first thing you'll need to do is find yourself an old jumper. I found this one in an op shop. It was free and kind of damaged, and so I thought it would be perfect for what I needed. And I've got this teddy bear that I've half made, so I'm going to use him for sizing. I would like to try and utilize the arms that are already on here, and so I'm just going to measure them and see if I can cut them in a way that I don't have to sew more than I should. The material on the back of the jumper is much nicer than on the front, so that's the part that I'm going to use for the teddy bear's jumper. The first thing I do is cut out a piece, fold it in half, and then cut along the fold. Once I've done that, I work out what angles I need to cut to be able to attach the arms to. The next thing I need to do is sew along the neckline. I fold it and sew it. I then turn the two pieces so that they are outsides facing together. And then I sew from here to here on each side to create the space where the body goes, and I try it on him for size. It looks good, so I start working on the arms. I've cut at an angle and made it so that I can fold it over to make a cute little sleeve, and then I copy that on the other side. The next step is to turn these inside out and sew along the length of the arm. I sew along both sides and then look at how it's going to sit with the jumper. I then need to sew this part, and I would like to tuck that up and also pin it so that you can't see the inside seam. I sew a short bit on either side from the shoulder to the neck. I then turn the sleeves in the right way so that the insides are on the inside, and I insert them into the jumper like this. I then carefully sew the two pieces together around in a circle, careful not to catch anything. And then it's all done. I turn the jumper out the right way and try it on my teddy bear for size. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed my process. It's actually the first time that I've made a jumper, but I think it turned out really cute, and my teddy bear likes it too, I think. Keeps him nice and warm on these cold, wintry mornings. Happy crafting, everyone!